Hello everyone, I got a fun project for you. I'm going to teach you how to eat cereal. No, I'm kidding. This is actually a pretty cool project to do over the weekend as we get to approach the solar eclipse coming up Monday afternoon. Now, not all of you are going to be lucky to go see totality, and unfortunately, many of you are not lucky enough to be able to get those solar eclipse approved glasses, due to the fact they went pretty fast. If you go to the local libraries, Home Depot, Lowe's, the Great Lakes Science Center, other locations, other science centers, unfortunately, you're not being able to find them anymore. They have sold out in most locations. So I'm going to teach you how to use this Raisin Bran box, and yes, they're paying me a lot of money for this commercial, just kidding, for a little fun family project to be able to safely view the eclipse. Now, the only reason you need something like this isn't because the sun's going to be any more dangerous. It's just you're actually staring directly at the sun this coming Monday. You don't normally, you don't normally do that. So, few supplies needed. You need some tin foil. You need some scissors, a nail. You're eventually going to be punching a hole in the tin foil. A piece of paper that fits the bottom portion of this box. You're going to stuff it in here in a moment. And some tape. Good old-fashioned tape does the trick. So you're going to trace out a piece of paper that generally fits the bottom of the box, put some tape on it, double stick tape, put some glue on it, something like that. I have tape already on here, and then the white side is going to definitely be shining up, and you're just going to stick that down here in the cereal box. Not the easiest thing in the world when you're working with kind of cramped places. So you have it here now, stuffed in the bottom of the box, taped up a little bit so you know it's not going to move around really. I don't know if you can see, probably not, but there it is, the bottom of the box. That should kind of do the job there. Then what you're going to do, this is not too difficult, just kind of close it up here. And you're going to cut out two areas on each side of the top of the box. And this is going to allow for one area to allow the sun in, the other area for you to actually look through and see the projection of the eclipse on the bottom portion of the box where that paper is. All right, now you're going to tape this portion of the box up here, and you're going to make sure that it's still a little bit sturdy. All right, now we have two different sides. With one side, we're going to take some aluminum foil, so you could just kind of rip off the right size that you need. And you're going to put that aluminum foil over the one side. Make sure it's kind of stretched out a little bit. You don't want it too wrinkly. And you're going to make sure it's a little bit on the taut side of things. Make sure it covers the hole completely. Kind of fit it around the edges. And then once again, you're going to have it, once you have it like that, you're going to tape that up. Okay, then when you have this all taped up here, the aluminum foil over the edge, you are going to take a nail or a pin or something and you're just going to poke one little hole in the middle of that. And there you go. I'm not sure if you can see, but a little hole in there. And that's it. That is your solar eclipse viewer. Now what you're going to do with it is you are going to point this, the aluminum foil area, at the sun. And the aluminum foil is going to kind of take the rays of sun and direct them through the pinhole and it's going to project it on your white piece of paper at the bottom of the box. You're going to look through here where it's nice and dark so you don't have that other light interference, and let's give it a try. You should be able to see a projection when you line it up correctly at the bottom of the box. And that's pretty cool. You can see the little spot of the sun back there. And it definitely works pretty well. You are able to just kind of maneuver it and find the right spot where the sun is. And that's how it's viewed. So your back will actually be to the sun when you're seeing that. But it's pretty cool. It definitely works. It's true science. And all it takes is a cereal box. Happy Eclipse viewing, guys.